What's the meaning of backflip? Backflip. Backflip.
Backflip. Backflip. A backflip is a gymnastics move in which a person leaps into the air, tucks their knees into their chest, and rotates backwards before landing on their feet. The term backflip can also be used to describe similar acrobatic maneuvers, such as a back handspring or a back tuck. This type of move requires a great deal of physical skill, strength, and agility, as well as mental focus and confidence. Backflips can be performed both for artistic purposes, such as in gymnastics competitions or dance performances, or for entertainment purposes, such as in parkour or action sports. They are often considered a crowd pleaser due to their impressive nature.